Guys, soon, soon you can see, say yo, boarding, board up on everything. Yeah, so you know, see yo, soon, yes. See there, guys. Yeah. I want to say, give a big thanks to King and Shay, guys. We teach you how to have sense with money. When you come on to money, teach you how to have sense. What's up, guys? I don't know, say it's a boy Nathan. And sorry about the lighting, guys. Might go somewhere way better. Yeah, guys. No see we a post from the other day, guys. Yeah, enough people don't know why, and some want to know why. You see me, so guys, basically look over it. Over me head, look. You see it, guys. Almost can see what I go on right there, so. You guys almost can see what I go on, so. You see, guys. This will take place right now, guys. Yeah. So we are just start out with self first, you see me? So at the end of the day, we're not in a no problem with nobody about no house or nothing, guys, you see me? Yeah. So this, guys, what you see we are building right now, this is for me and CC, yeah. So guys, I want to thank you all for support. We could do this without you guys support. If you guys never had support, we could not do this. I really appreciate it, you see me, people. You see me, this is just the start in our house. Yeah. Okay, it's a massive, guys, you see. They got massive people, and sorry about the light, guys, you see me? As you can see right here, so again, see there, guys. In here, so another room, bathroom, go around this, so. Yeah, people, so honestly say, yo, CC and Nathan mean business, you see me? So, I want to do now, guys. I want to continue supporting. Sorry when I post my video, for you know, I'm going to try to catch CC on the. No, I'm going to talk that for another video. I'm going to try to see what can go on, if you can do a challenge or something idea for you guys, you see me? So, I'm really sorry when I post nothing. You see me, guys, because you know it already, we can't post nothing if you're not in enough. Yeah. So basically this we want to deal with right now, you see me? So we know say yo, when this done with everything. See there? Me and CC work hard for this, guys. And you guys show back support. You see me? I'm be going to do for it. I can't watch it and never stop. You see me, guys? Because we can't do nothing if you don't know watch it as them for you. So I want to know. Just a good view of the thing. You see me, guys? Me I stop it and turn on the camera. So people see it there. See it there, guys. Soon, soon you can see, say yo, boarding, board up on everything. Yeah. So you know, see yo. Soon, yes. You tell guys. Yeah. I want to say give a big thanks to King and Shay guys. We teach you how to have sense with money. When you come on to money, teach you how to have sense.